This 2024 Winnebago Roam 59RB is a Class B RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 19 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep's 2 LP detector, refrigerator, oven, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, microwave, smoke detector, water heater, and 12 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. This 2024 Winnebago Roam 59RB is built on a ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT V6 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.